What's up, guys? It's Anthony, and good morning. Today is Saturday the 11th or something like that. I have to go and help my boss move some drywall at a job that we're on right now, and get my paycheck. So right now we're making some waffles. Gonna eat, finish getting ready and head out there. And then I think we're gonna do some GrubHub deliveries today, so I'll bring you guys along for that. Also, I might go to Walmart and try and get a little phone mount thing to go on my windshield just to hold my phone. That way it makes it easier for me to be able to record, do videos while I'm driving, as well as so that way I can see, the map and stuff. Trying to make some extra money so that way I can afford some Jeep or truck parts or Jeep parts for my girlfriend's Jeep, or buy myself a Jeep. Just be able to have money to play. This is a great way to make some side money if you have a free day or something like that. So definitely give it a shot. But I'm gonna bring you guys along with me today. So hopefully you guys do enjoy, and let's go ahead and get on into eating breakfast, I guess. Alrighty. Excuse the mess in the toaster oven, but here we got some waffles for breakfast. Nice. So what my question is for you guys is, do you guys put butter on your waffles, or do you put peanut butter on your waffles, or do you just eat them plain? Do you use syrup? Do you not use syrup? What do you guys use? I'm just kind of curious, what you guys use and what you guys like. My girlfriend just eats waffles with syrup. I like to put either regular butter or peanut butter on them. Just kind of depends. But yeah. Alrighty. Alright, all done. Looking good. Now it's time to eat and then head out. Whoa, that wide angle though. Alright, now we'll let her warm up for a couple minutes and then we'll head out. So this is what I gotta deal with while I'm waiting for the truck to warm up. She's got her rope up here, and she insists on playing on top of me, but when I try and play with her, she doesn't really want nothing to do with me. But if you guys are new around here, this is my dog, Bella. She's a 7-month-old Doberman. She's a blue. She's very pretty. Look at her. And yeah, if you guys are new though, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on that road to 20 subscribers with this channel. It'd be greatly appreciated. We're gonna be trying to upload like once a week or so. I'll make a video kind of like introducing me and what the channel's gonna be about, stuff like that. And yeah, if you're here from my gaming channel, thanks for stopping by and subscribing, hopefully, and supporting me. This is just something kind of fun and a break from gaming stuff. As you can see, my gaming setup is over there. But yeah, hopefully soon I'll have better internet, so that way I could do a little bit more videos for both channels and stuff like that. So maybe I'll try and upload like 2 videos on my main channel and then a video a week on this channel. I think that's a pretty good goal. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, this is Bella. She's very pretty. Huh, yeah. Alrighty, so we're driving out here. It's way out here in the boonies, if you guys can't tell. It's about 30 minutes from my house driving. We get to do some county road driving, which is always fun, but it's not fun when your window always falls down because the stupid window regulator is bad and you haven't had the money to buy it or the time to fix it. And sorry for it being super shaky. I have to hold it with my hand. I don't have a phone mount. But yeah, it is also pretty hard to drive a manual and do this, especially because my truck pulls to the left right now. It needs some maintenance, but yeah. So we're heading out here, and I'll see you guys when we get to the church where we're working, because that's what it is. It's a church, and yeah. So there's going to be a new bathroom in here, sink, toilet, tools. The stairs used to be right here. Now they're over there. And we tiled all this, built another bathroom. Alright guys, so we're back from the church. I showed you guys kind of what we've been doing. I've been home for a little bit. Me and my girlfriend went and cashed our paychecks. And now my girlfriend went to work. So now hanging out with my puppy and just trying to see what to do for today. Just kind of relaxing a little bit. Then we're gonna go do some deliveries for GrubHub, like I did say. We might run to Walmart or like Best Buy or something, try and get a phone mount for my window, like I've said. Also might go to Harbor Freight and just kind of scope out tools and stuff like that, because I do need some 12-point sockets for doing my adjustable camber bushings for my truck, so that way I can get rid of my 2 degrees of positive camber that I've had for a while, and it's just really chewing up stuff, and I really need to get it done. It just sucks because it's so cold. Haven't really had the time, and now I need more money to get parts, or to get tools, now that I have the parts. But yeah, I don't know what we're doing today. There's Bella again. I am kind of hungry, so might go and get something to eat. I don't really know. Just kind of hanging out today. Yeah. Gotta love eating like a kid still. Totino's pizza and some soda. And we're gonna go sit down on the couch and watch some YouTube. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go head to Walmart to go try and get a phone mount. And then we're gonna be available to do some deliveries for GrubHub and just kind of see what else we get up to today. Alright, just got to Walmart, aka Wally World, and time to go see what we can find. Alright, so we got one. It says holds most smartphones, and 2-inch to 3.7-inch. I have the 11 Pro Max, so we're about to find out if it fits. And this was like $6, so hopefully it's worth it. Alrighty, there's the finished product. It's kind of weird to have up there, honestly. I don't know if I'm gonna like it better there, or maybe right here. We'll try this out and see. Alrighty, so I don't know how shaky that this thing is going to be, so we'll find out. Hopefully it's not too bad, but now I can make better quality videos too while I'm driving, and be able to just kind of like talk to you guys, make like driving vlogs and stuff. Hopefully this isn't ungodly shaky, because it looks pretty bad right now. This parking lot is kind of bad too, so, but I'll watch the footage back and kind of go from there. But if you guys are watching this, let me know like what kind of videos you want to see from me. Let me know like what I can do. You know, give me like build ideas for my truck or for my girlfriend's Jeep. You know, I'm open to any suggestions that you guys do have, because I would like to make this, my truck, my 1994 Ford Ranger, kind of my daily. And I mean, it is my daily, but I want to make it look good and be semi-functional. And then eventually I would like to buy a Jeep again, that would be ideal. And who knows, maybe we'll be able to get one, but I like to have both those projects, as well as I want to do a couple of things to my girlfriend's Jeep, like get her some rims, maybe. Her factory rock sliders that come on the Renegade model for her Liberty, they're all rusted out and kind of nasty, so either I want to try and make some new ones of those or find some aftermarket ones or something, just so that way you can get rid of all the rust and the nasty stuff on her Jeep and make it just look really good, because she loves that thing and I just want to make it look good. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see you when I get back to the house. Well, this is really cool. I am sitting waiting on trying to get some deliveries for GrubHub, but I'm in a bad network connection because my phone service sucks. And I found this little guy sitting over here in the corner. It's so nice. I wish I could have one, but right now we got a budget one. It's called a Ford Ranger. Alright guys, so we just did our first delivery for GrubHub. Pretty interesting, kind of hectic, so I apologize that I didn't film it. But waited about an hour and I only got one offer. I gotta go home and feed my puppy, and then we will start our next block for our schedule thing and be heading to go and do some more. I got $1 tip and I think the mileage was like $4, so I just made $5 for 15 minutes of my time. So that one wasn't the best one, but we'll just kind of see what happens. I mean, that's $5 more than I had, you know, so can't complain with that. But we're heading home. Alright guys, so we're going to Popeyes, which is not too far away from where I live, and we're gonna pick up an order and then we're gonna go and deliver it, and I'll just time lapse this for you guys or something. But I just wanted to talk to you guys real quick, let you know that's what's going on. So let's go ahead and get on with this one. I'll figure it out, but yeah, we'll see what happens. It's this one, and there you go. There is Popeyes. Super close to it. So I'm gonna get in here and get parked. Oh god, it's pretty bumpy. I'm just gonna go ahead and park right here. Oh, never mind. That person parks like shit. So let's just slide up on in here. Alrighty, and we're here 2 minutes later. Alright, 2 orders down, and I think I made like $11, $12, something like that. $12 more than I had. Didn't really use that much gas, so I think it's worth it in my book. The block that I scheduled was from 6:30 to 7:30. I'm gonna go ahead and head home, probably be done for the night, and probably end off the vlog when we get back to the house. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head on home. Alrighty guys, so hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. It's a pretty long video, and it's kind of all over the place, but let me know how I can improve it. Let me know what else you guys would like to see. This is actually the next day, and it's pretty late at night, and I'm just doing the editing for this video, and I'm going to go ahead and throw this on there and figure out how to upload it with my horrible internet and it being close to 20 minutes long. I don't know how that's gonna go, so we'll see. But hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. If you are new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on that road to 20 subscribers. Be greatly appreciated. Has been Anthony, and we'll talk to you guys later.